Welcome to Crypto Bible. My name's Oliver.
And my name's Elroy.
And in today's video, we're going to show you how to use
CoinMarketcap.
Very good.
I felt like that's what you were going to say.
Yeah, I was going to say
Okay, just making sure.
And we're going to do it real basic. Okay, so we're going to show you on the screen now, and we're just going to literally go through it. So I use CoinMarketcap because I literally like to see what coins are going for what, whether they're up or down. What do you use it for?
Same, really. Like, to be honest, just checking the coins out, seeing a little bit more information about them, and yeah, just seeing where they are, like what they've done in an hour, how they've performed in a day. That's the main reason I would use CoinMarketcap. I guess we should explain what it is. So, CoinMarketcap is a place that you can find a list of, I think right now it's about 9,200 plus cryptocurrencies, and you can literally go and look, just see how they performed over an hour, over a 24-hour period. You can have links to their website and stuff like that. So any cryptocurrency that you're thinking of, just go on there, have a look for it. If for some reason it's not on there, I don't think it's gone through their process yet. I know they've got a process.
Yeah, I think you have to be trading publicly on one exchange at least, and then CoinMarketCap will verify you, but I'm sure there's a few other bits you have to jump through. But immediately as we got it up now, you can see, so when it comes up, these things are pretty cool. So it shows you the trending coins, the top 3, the biggest gainers, the recently added. I don't really, in personal preference, I don't really take too much notice of that. I like to just go down straight away because the first page will show you the top 100 coins, right?
Definitely, yeah.
So we know Bitcoin is top and Ethereum and so forth. But it's quite interesting because immediately green and red is bad, green is doing its, obviously it's pumping.
That's good.
So as soon as you see, for example, today we've got a few reds, but it's a bit of a sideways move at the moment, not too bad. And then it's got 24 hours, so you can see Bitcoin's down 4.2%. And then it's got 7 days, which is good. So you can see how it's been doing over the last week.
You've also got options to filter all these things as well. So you can go on filters and change it and kind of customize it to how you would want it. So, I mean, that's just the default setting of it being looking over a week or looking over 24 hours, but you can change pretty much everything in there.
One cool feature of the CoinMarketCap is that you can, we're both English, so we live in the UK, so we change it from dollars. Because when you watch crypto videos, it's always in dollars, and it's like, okay, cool, but what's that in Great British pounds? Show them.
So if you want to change it, just go right up to the very top of the website, and this is on the right-hand corner, and you'll see a little arrow, and it says USD. So I can click on that arrow. It brings up all the currencies that I can use. I can hit the search bar here, or I can just click on my currency just down there, so you can scroll up and down. You've got loads of currencies there, but for me and Oliver, we're going to choose the pounds.
GBP.
And then from here, going down, you see everything's changed. You can see Bitcoin now at £34,000. I
think it's cool. And one feature is, say if you're doing a little bit of research or something pops out, you're like, oh, I like the color of this coin. Even literally an idea like that is, this isn't touchscreen, I keep doing that. So let's click into Bitcoin, and then literally, why has it done that? It should give you a bit of a brief overview of the coin. It gives you a little bit of a closer look of the chart that you can change, you know, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, year to date. And then we can see a Bitcoin converter. And then this is what's brilliant, because it says literally, what is Bitcoin? And it does this for every coin. So you can say, I'm not going to read that all out, but it tells you what Bitcoin is basically. So if there's a coin on there that you're thinking, hey, this looks cool, I want to know a little bit more about it, this is like literally start of your research.
Go on CoinMarketCap, go check it out. Also, you've got links to, like, if we just scroll back down, you've got links to things like the white paper, you've got links to the website on there. You've got even links to where you can buy it. So you can click buy on any coin and it will take you somewhere to be able to try and buy it as well.
Let's see that. Let's go into that now. So let's say some of you might be thinking, all right, cool, I want to buy some now. So if I try and find, like, I want to buy it. There we go. There's a button at the top here saying buy. Let's see where that takes us to. Like, click it here. So I can go Binance. I can go. These are sponsored. So Binance look like they're sponsoring it at the moment. It's going to take me over to Binance. That one's going to take me to Uphold, and that's going to take me to Nexo. So literally, it will take you over to those exchanges, or you could just go to another exchange, and we will be doing other videos about how to buy crypto on those exchanges, like step by step, so you can see exactly how to buy it. But CoinMarketCap, it will take you straight to anywhere you need.
Another cool feature of CoinMarketCap is you'll see just here, you've got a little star there, and that basically can add it to your main watch list. So what that means is you can choose, let's say if you've got a portfolio of 10 coins, or maybe you haven't even decided to invest in these coins yet, you just think these are 10 coins I want to watch. You can just go on each coin and click that little star, and it will add it to a watch list for you. And then now, once you've done that, you have to log in.
Yeah, just seeing if it go yellow.
You click it, you log in, and then from there, it will add it to your own personalized watch list. So I can say, I want to watch XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and I don't know, Dogecoin as well. And click on all of those, and it will just make a list for me just there.
I also like the app. So you can download CoinMarketCap app, because on the app, right at the bottom, when you scroll to the bottom, I don't know, I can't remember too much about the website if it's the same. This is catching up. But you get loads of news articles as well. So sometimes it's like the one-stop shop for everything crypto. You can check out the prices, how they're doing. And I normally just check the top 100. I don't go looking through. Do you look at all the other 9,000 coins?
No. I look at specific coins that I know. So obviously there's a search bar on here as well. So let's say if my coin that I'm looking at is not in the top 100, then I'm going to hit the search bar and just type in. So I'm either typing in the ticker, which is that little, the abbreviation of the coin, or I can type in the name of the coin, and whatever I type in, it's going to come up. It's going to show all the coins with that name. We can try that out and just show you guys how to use that.
What's that? So what do you want to click on?
Just in the search bar, and then search for search for a coin. So I don't know. Let's say we're searching for, let's say, Solana or something like that.
So type in Sol, and hopefully.
Yeah. So just by the ticker, it's typed in Sol. It's come up. But again, if you type in Solana as well, that would have come up. You can click on it. You still got everything there. You can add it to your main watch list. You've also got links to the website, to the white paper. You've got community, you've got chat. There's tons of features on here. But mainly you're just using this to kind of look at the price, see what it's been doing, see how it's been trading.
No, it's really cool. It's really cool. It's a cool place to go if you're just starting out and you just want to sort of, maybe you're looking to invest or you're not ready just yet, and you just want to get an understanding of what the coins are doing, how they're performing weekly. I really like the app, because also you've got the news articles at the bottom.
On the website, you've got these at the top as well.
Is that, what's that? Yeah. Oh yeah. So they got some bits in there. So all in all, and it's free, right? And the thing is, you don't have to log in. Like
you don't.
If
you can use everything just like this right now, how we've done, without logging in.
Exactly. And also recently added coins. Some really, like, you've got Block Blend, Zerv Coin, Lend Flare, DAO token. There's a lot of random coins on there that you'll see. But as always, just do your research. But this is a great place to just kind of get a vibe for what's going on in the market.
I think it's a brilliant resource, and like pretty much anyone I know that does anything to do with crypto uses this just for something. Like if it's just looking at the white papers and go from there, or finding the website, the official website, you're going to find it from here. So yeah, it's a brilliant tool to use.
Definitely. Hopefully if you have any questions and you want to know anything more, or you'd like a video on something else, like a how-to, then we do have a comment section, and you can fill it out there and we can have a chat. That'll be fun. Throw us a like. I think we kind of deserve
Subscribe as well. And click the
notification
bell. Yeah, so you don't miss any other episodes.
So goodbye from me, Oliver.
And from me, Elroy.
We'll see you on the next one.